make a seafood stir fry. Or a bag of Korean seafood, mixed seafood. We'll probably use like 1/3 of this. Seafood stir fry with some broccoli. Yeah, broccoli here. Alright, so we're gonna part out the seafood much we want to see exactly what's inside that bag. So what this bag consists of now. So you can see squid is inside, clam is inside, shrimp is inside, and then there are mussels is inside. Yes, this looks like squid as well. And let's see what else is inside now. I think that's about it. That's inside. It's like 4 to 5 different types of seafood. So I'm just gonna use that this amount. So see if anything is inside. We're missing it. Let's see if you have any crab leg or any stuff there inside of it. No, I think it's mainly like squid and oysters and clams and shrimp. Yeah man, octopus. Yeah, there's it right here. Octopus, squid, shrimp, mussels. Yeah, it's fully boiled already, so this cooking time not really take a long. The main thing I need to do now is prepare the broccoli and boil those off. I don't know, so when you do seafood boil or stir fry anything, main ingredients: ginger, garlic. We don't know that already, so yeah, I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's skip to the good part. So the broccolis are all clean now. Just gonna cut them smaller and boil them for a bit, like until they're like 75% cooked. Then we're gonna stir fry them with the seafood that I have over there. Those are boiled already, so cooking time is not very long. And in general, seafood doesn't really take long to cook. I think the thing that takes the longest to cook inside there would be the squid. You know, for clam and mussels, once they're open, they're cooked. We're gonna wash these off and boil them in some salt water. Whoa, where are you jumping? Boil this now, some salt water. And a little bit of salt. That's good enough. So in the meanwhile, while the broccoli is boiling, I'm just gonna wash these off a little. Gonna get them defrost under some running water. They're easily defrost though, so it's nothing much. Maybe a minute or two, and they're all defrost. Oh, you can smell that seafood scent in them. Nice. You don't want to wash them too much into your boil already. You don't want to wash off all of the taste. That's it. So see what we have here. This is some squid, octopus. This is some mussel. Yes, this is some mussels there. Shrimp. And see some baby shrimp there as well. Yes, and then let's see what we're gonna have. We're gonna have some of this bad boy right here. This is Japanese season. I can't read Japanese for sure, but listen, this so good. So if you watch this video and see this, you can screenshot it. Yeah, I can help you read this or Google or whatsoever, your preference. But that's very nice. It's a very nice seasoning. So now I have some hot oil here. Let's magic happen. So we're gonna sear that first. Have a little bit of this. Lock in some flavor. Okay, this is boiled now, so let's strain out this. Okay. Whoa, steam. Then now we're gonna add this inside there. As I said before, the seafood was actually boiled already, so you don't need a lot of cooking time. Cover that for 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the secret sauce now. Where is it? Shh, reveal yourself. This right here. This is a Taiwanese barbecue sauce. I forgot the name in Mandarin, but it's a Taiwanese barbecue sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of that. Boom, nothing much. Alright. See that? Gonna add a little bit of that flavor. Good enough. And then we're gonna go in and add a little bit of soybean sauce as well. Seal the deal. Okay, that's it. So we're just gonna let that simmer down and everything incorporate inside. Crank up the heat a little bit. Man, that smells so nice. Alright, so let's cover that. Give that probably about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes for everything to incorporate it. Then ship land. Ship land, no, ship dock. Plain land, ship dock. What am I talking about? Yeah. Then the ship is gonna be docking. Alright, that's been about like 2 minutes now. Man, that smell good. If only you guys could just smell that thing. It's amazing. So there you have it. Seafood stir fry with broccoli. Easy, simple, homemade style. Just incorporating different stuff and trying different stuff. Remember, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a like, leave a comment. And also, if you're curious about Asian food, you can tell me, leave in the comment and tell me which Asian food you're curious about, or which Asian food you have tried or wanna try or thinking about trying. And from my perspective, the most Asian food, or I'd say most frequent one I've tried, is Taiwanese food and Korean food. Those are the two I've dabbled in mostly. So please remember, subscribe to the channel. Amazing. It's made with love. Until next time.